Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. I hope that you're enjoying this series because I'm having a lot of fun sharing these love-inspired projects with you. Let's get right into today's. Today's project is a sweet little 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 accordion style folio. I think these are so cute. They go together quickly. You can use your scraps. It's just a really great project for any occasion, but I chose to go with a love theme or Valentine's theme for mine today. I did follow a tutorial for the base from Scrapbooking with Me, and I will link that in the description box below. Now, when decorating my little accordion books, I did use a lot of scraps from my collection, but I primarily used this collection from Echo Park called Be My Valentine. This is just a super cute collection, and I had a lot of fun working with it. This is just the 6x6 paper pad. And I also used some pieces from the die cut ephemera. As usual, I blinged them up with some of my rhinestone gems from Craft Factory Creations. And I used some dies from my stash to create the focal images on the front. Let me show them to you one by one. So they're all held together with just a simple belly band. Just cut a heart out of gold foil cardstock. This was a cut apart from the collection, which I used a die to cut out into a heart shape. Put some heart dazzles on there. Those are from hot off the press. I get them at paperwishes.com. And used a couple pieces of the ephemera, just little flags sticking out. Now this just slides off like this. Another cut apart from the paper collection. And then this just unfolds. I just back that with some gold foil cardstock for accenting. And then this center portion is the accordion part. So that you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 photo opportunities in that center accordion portion. And I just left those with photo mats so that the photos could be the star of the show. And these photo mats measure, I believe it's 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. So if you did a 3.5 by 3.5 photo on each one of these, it would give you a nice white border, so it would look double matted. And I think that that would just be a really pretty look. This entire project was made using 110-pound cardstock, so no chipboard involved. Just a very easy project to put together. And then the belly band just slips right back over to hold it closed. For this one, again, I just used a die from my stash with this red glitter cardstock, and then also used a die to cut apart out in this circular shape. I used some glossy accents on the lips. I don't know if you can see that. Make them kind of shiny, like lip gloss. And I used a little tiny heart dazzle sticker right there to dot the I in kiss. Bling from my stash. And much like the last one, I just left the center accordion portion matted so that you could just put your photos on there. I think this would be beautiful, all filled up. Now, when E at Scrapbooking with Me made hers, she also put decorative paper on all of these portions, and you can absolutely do that. It looks beautiful. I just wanted the recipient to not be worried about covering up any of that beautiful paper and, let their pictures shine through on this little album. For this last one, I just fussy cut this out. This was a cut apart from the collection, and I put glossy accents on all of the candies. I thought that that came out really nice. I love the way that that looks. Did this scalloped heart in gold foil behind it for some accent. I also fussy cut these little envelopes, letters out of the paper collection, and just kind of glued them in behind. Little heart dazzle sticker there, some bling. I just thought it turned out really cute. I love this one. Actually made one for my grandson that looks a lot like this. It says, "Hello, Valentine." It's cut apart from the collection. More gold foil accents on the sides. And again, we've got this accordion section in the center that is just waiting to be filled up with all of your pictures. This project was so simple and quick to make, and also very inexpensive. So I hope you're inspired to give it a try and make some for your Valentine's this year. If you enjoyed today's video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!